Okay, here's the first crossing on my remote backwoods run here. And I had a choice. I could run through the water, but that looked a little bit deep, probably get my feet fairly wet. So I looked at this side and I can see that I could go from here to here, out to there, and then maybe take one long leap and keep my feet mostly dry. This side, these are nice big rocks, no problem going from here to here, but that might have been a little bit long because that peak there wouldn't give me the best footing. So I opted for a little safer route over here, and I just got my left foot slightly wet. So this is just an example of just using your balance skills, your feet skills, just out in nature and doing your best to stay dry at the beginning of the run. And now we'll go up to the next crossing with water. Okay, here's my second water crossing. And again, I need to look at both sides. This side looks a little bit longer in terms of leaping. So I thought I would take this route because I could easily step from rock to rock. And this was actually easier than the first one. I just went from rock to rock, right out there and trotted right over there, no problem.